Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete a single answer or response in Google Poll, survey in Google Forms. Now this should be a quick and easy process video. All you have to do is go to your form. The form should be a quiz. If you want to make it a quiz, go to Settings, then click on Make it a quiz. Once you make it a quiz and receive answers, you'll find them in the Responses tab. As you can see, if you go to Individual, you can see the answers you have. In my case, I only have one response. As you can see, this Individual tab allows us to delete answers one by one. Just click on this, then click Yes to delete the response. After you click on it, the response will be deleted, and that's about it. This was how to delete a single answer or response in Google Poll. I hope this video was helpful. As always, thank you for watching.